तू वापस और अंदर लगाना. I have a bright blue oversized t-shirt. Would you want? You want that kind of stuff instead?
Dabba, she's got
चिक्की का दी.
ginger.
मला काही नाही.
My face is looking tired or
New Bliss Club.
yes.
Cute.
So it's 5:08 by the time we go into our room. So maybe 5:28, 5:29. It's gonna start 5:30. Yeah, 5:30 max. Okay, cool. Have a good show. Have a good show. Good luck. All the best. Put the coaster here, and I also want to have some.
Yeah, please.
Hello, my name is Medha. I'm a contemporary dancer and a yoga teacher. Hey there, I'm Saili. I am a contemporary movement artist like Medha, not a yoga teacher, unlike Medha.
Hi, I'm Tanvi Hegde. I'm a contemporary dancer and a dance movement therapist.
Hi, my name is Maitreyi. I am a contemporary dancer, a yoga teacher. I am also a choreographer.
Hi, my name is Henna Raisinghani, and I mean, I don't know who I am.
Please do that again for kids to look at it.
Am I supposed to crack the same joke again?
We have been dancing with each other for the longest time in different constellations. Yeah. All of us went out of Pune to train. We came back to Pune. We went back to different cities. And finally, in the last 1 year, I think everybody has just gravitated, like, if that's the word. We've come back to Pune and we somehow organically decided to start training together with each other. First we were dance colleagues and or learning in the same school, then progressed to dance friends, and then now we're all friends. Dance friendships are very different because when you're in a studio, you're in a very raw and almost a metaphorically naked version of yourselves, and when you meet each other in that form, and if you get along, it's not that every dancer in every constellation will be like best friends forever, but if there is a synergy and you find that there's a sync, then those friendships are formed, I think, in a different they're different bonds. They're a bit tougher, and
This form of Ranti and this version of Ranti has come because the five of us are together. This was our first production as the five of us. We've all worked in different constellations, but this is all five of us coming together as a production, and that was very exciting.
having this group of women where I know that there's no judgment whatsoever. They gave me that space to explore, to experience.
This space felt very safe to access, like, those vulnerable parts of myself, to just be like, okay, actually this is fine, and there's 5 other people who are just the same but with different stories.
Now काम की बात. What is Ranti?
Wow, let's go.
So what is Ranti is just 5 of us that came together and just researched what it meant to be wild, which is the translation in English. The word Ranti has already many colors to it when you hear it in any context, and I was very curious about if we brought that word into the physicality of primarily female identifying bodies, then what does that mean? And does it mean that we could probably reclaim some of that? Maybe we can recolor it or just redefine it for us. The Goethe Institute, Max Muller Bhavan Pune got in touch with me saying that, okay, there's an exhibition that's coming to Pune. And the whole idea of the exhibition, the name of the exhibition is Empowerment. And as the name suggests, empowerment, feminism, all the words that are connected to these two things are a part of it. So they were like, because you are a new collective of 5 dancers, why don't y'all give us a proposal of what is it that y'all can do for for this 3 weeks festival? And I was like, yeah, okay, on it.
Yeah, there was a message that Siley shared on the group, which was like this long paragraph, and I was like, yeah.
Exactly.
And it didn't have a heading, it didn't have anything. It was just this long ass paragraph of like yeah, feminism, art, exhibition, something. And empowerment bola ko khatam. And then Mai was like, okay, I think I have some, like I would like to take this and I have something to say about this.
And from a small little seed, then I think what ended up happening was everyone put in their own water and their nutrition, and then a tree grew out of it. It was quite a wild forest. And the fact that it's a movement installation, it starts with that. It starts with people saying, stage var nahi karate ka? Nahi. You know, it starts with that. So I'm just like, guys, the thing is that if there is a place where we can have this expression, it's an exhibition like this. Because
See, the thing is, all of us have been called ranty and Vedi. Vedi has been very common. Vedi is mad, okay?
Different way-
different names. But I have also been called ranty. Like, ही अशी काय? ही म्हणजे ही अशी जरा वेगळी आहे.
I was always told you need to be girly or you need to be a specific way, and you're not, like, I was either not too girly enough for something, or I was either not, I don't know what the other side of it would be, but then it always had to be a certain thing. And especially in the dance scene and wherever I trained, everything had to be either like hot and sexy. So I think that was one thing that really pissed me off, that okay, like, I'm just doing my thing, and then why are you stopping me from doing it?
As part of a previous photo shoot with some of us as well, like 10 years ago, we've been called Ashleel and things like that. So then it became like a joke of sorts, right? Over the last few years, it's become something that we're proud of, and not in an Ashleel way, but this is just who we are. And what is your meaning of Ashleel or ranty or wild or untamed? So then it's like, yes, we are untamed, we're wild, we're whatever you think of us to be. So
Sometimes in my family, it's a running joke. People just say that Siley, I think she's born a girl by mistake. कारण की तिच्यात सगळ्या qualities मुलांच्या आहेत. I was like, because I'm always ready to fight. I'm always ready to give it back to people. I'm like, पण
Like that's also one thing, no? That's also one thing where Like there are these qualities that's man, and there are these qualities that's woman.
Or the saddest part is girls have been conditioned in these ways by women. That is the saddest part, because I have heard women or some Masi auntie was saying like, can't sit in such way, you can't speak like this, you can't do these things, you have to be in a certain way. And this is where it all starts.
But if a woman does that, that's ranty.
Yeah.
Like I can be like, hello, but if, as a woman, I'm so careful that okay, like I'll go to a corner, I'll pick up my call outside. But as a man,
हाँ कुछ फर्क नहीं पड़ता ना, मैं बात करेगा.
No one thinks of it in the way that like phone, as simple as a phone call.
Yeah.
Like I would never pick up a phone in a theater. मिले हाँ
वहीं पे तो domestication आता है ना.
I used to go to something called BNS, Bharatiya Nivas only. This is a Pune thing. And it's like a ground, okay. And then there are these sweet aunties, and then all these kids of different age groups, and then we had to play all the games. Name all the games.
Kho, kabaddi.
What is the thing with the ball?
Throw ball.
And the dodgeball. Dabda is fun. So we like, competitive games, and I have always been very competitive. And there when the hair pulling and the pushing and this thing, and I would be stopped because young girls don't play fight like this. That was always something that would not sit too well. Girls fighting is something that's just not accepted for some reason. And if it is, then it's like, oh, it's a cat fight, or it just not give it. It's not cool. Men getting into fights, it's just fact though. Men getting into fights, they make films about it. It's very glorified when men are like, chal, meet me outside, or all they'll fight, or get hockey sticks and everything. My sister and I've had like intense physical fights, and she's like given me a bloody nose and things like this. And these things are just not allowed enough. And I have a feeling that then goes inside and becomes something else, because it allow it to just express, and then look back and say, okay, maybe was that right or wrong? All right, okay, then let me see for myself. That was never really allowed.
We're not promoting violence.
We're not promoting violence.
As you can see in the show, Hannah and I killed our fight. That was so easy. Oh my god.
This game works better with 13 or 14 people, so it would be nice if you all can just, come. Okay. Can we make a circle? Okay, let's go. Rules of the game. The name of the game is Ranti Phone. Who's Ranti? Simple. Alright. I need two people. First person will be the dinner. Okay, Rajya Ghanara Manus. Okay, and the second person will be Ranti. So we have to make sure we are following Ranti, but at the same time, I'm not following Ranti, but at the same time, we also have to make sure that we keep this person as a secret person. Okay, so the dinner should be able to guess who's also the Ranti person. I will go out. मी 10 पर्यंत मोजणार आहे. तोपर्यंत ठरवा Ranti कोण आहे, नाहीतर मग that's on you all. Okay. ठीक है, चल, bye. I'm going. I'll try not to. Okay, 10. Let's go. 9. 8. Okay. 7. Who is it? 6. Okay. 5. Not like this. Ashwin, is it you? लवकर हो गए.
You know what? I think I know who it is. Can I see you?
There's 40, 50, 60 other people here.
I really don't like it when you cheat.
I-
Please, तो क्यों करती है ऐसा?
It wasn't my day. It was somebody
Please, you
doing
will
it.
lie.
Did you
will
lie? You
I
always
like
pick
it.
on me. You always pick
I
on me.
don't.
You never
I
let
always
anybody
fucking
watch you.
cheating, okay?
You will stop picking on me, dude. Stop pushing my hand.
Stop cheating.
Stop.
Girls, come on.
Whoa.
Hey, girls.
क्यों cheating करती हो हमेशा?
I really wanted to say some bad words. Okay. Like this, I have written it. I'm sure I'll find it somewhere. I'm like, can we please use bad words freely?
Mai told us we need to do very demure, very mindful. है ना?
That was the initial prompt,
Yeah. And then we were like, okay, what is this and what does it mean? For me, it was like, what? I have never been demure. Like it's like,
Hannah's like demure ka
oh. And it
All of us
became-
are.
Yeah, for everyone. And then our demure became and all of that. Like demure was not whatever Instagram and TikTok was showing.
This scene was just everything coming together. All these ideas which are up there. One is this idea of this demure thing, and every now and then it going into a not so demure thing. How to do this? First, my idea was like, how do we do this without it being literal? Then I was like, wait, maybe it can be highly literal.
That was a gali nahi de sakte.
Yes, yeah. I think I was the most reluctant. I was like, Mai, can we do this? Should we ask our curators? Is it allowed to do it in our exhibition? And now we are doing this, all of these demure and beautiful and whatever things on Te Ri Ma Ki Chu Di.
Now, get that right? Te, ti, te, te, ti. Te, te, ti. Te, te, ti. Rima, rima. You can make that a bit sharper. Rima. Te, ti, rima. Te, rima. T. T will be your formation first, and I think you cover a bit too much in the front. Yeah. Te, rima, T. Te, rima, T. Rima, T2. Rima, T2. Te, rima, T2. D. D. Te, rima, te, rima, T2, D. Te, rima, T2, D. 2, D. 2, D. Te, rima, T2, D. Te, rima, T2, D. 2, D. 2, D. D. D, 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 D. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and run.
words.
Randy. Bitch. Whore. They're just words.
Slut.
Say.
Cunt.
Sari. Kutri. Randy. Yeah. Randy. Bitch. Whore. Slut. Yeah. Cunt. Sari. Kutri. Randy. Randy. Bitch. Whore. Slut. Cunt. Sari. Kutri. Last time. Randy. Randy. Bitch. Whore. Slut. Cunt. Sari. Kutri. Thank you for joining into our final chant, and that is it from the movement installation titled, as most of you said, Randy. It's a word that we really wanted to reclaim, having been called that a lot as we were growing up as little girls.
We did not know the ending till we knew that okay, this is what we want to do.
Yeah.
And it all like my saying the words and us repeating it or us making the sounds. It all came very close to performance time. It
Yeah.
wasn't like a set thing before.
When I am saying the abuse or the word that I've always received in my life, or I speak for as a collective, that has been sort of said to us, when I say it, I make it mine, and then it is no longer an abusive word. You know what I mean? You're sort of taking the power from that word back to yourself in a way. Also, some of it is really ridiculous, and when you say these words, you're like,
Yeah.
yuck, yeah. How do you hear it now that I'm saying it out loud? Is this even an insult?
And then
so
when-
much of it.
And then when I say it, why is there shame in your eyes? When I'm trying to take it back from you, why is there shame?
Because
in
you
your
see
eyes?
people avert their eyes. They're like, fuck, she's saying Randy. Now what? What is Kutri? It's just funny. Kutri ka hai, Kutri. I call my brother Kutri.
Audience का तो सोचा ही नहीं.
Excuse me.
नहीं, audience का सोचा भी और नहीं भी सोचा. सोचा.
Okay,
So it
all
was
the-
both ways.
Yeah, all the time and never. I feel like I didn't even. It's too scary for me to think that I'm doing all of that in front of an audience.
Yeah.
Or I'm doing my rates in front of an audience. So for me it was just ये 5 लोग के साथ हुआ. फिर आगे
देखते हैं क्या होगा.
Yeah. फिर मम्मी आई तो क्या होगा? Papa, that all of that creeped in later. There was one uncle who came and he was like, "You're doing movements that I want to do in my kitchen and my house." And I was like an older uncle, okay, and I'm like twerking and doing these random. He's like, "मी पण हे करतो कधी कधी घरी असं just for fun," and I was just like, that is so validating, rewarding,
And go find your wildish one.
yes.
It doesn't have to be in a dance class. It doesn't have to be in a studio. It doesn't have to have.
Ride a bike and
Yeah, you can ride a bike and find your wildish one. If you're curious, then you will know how to reach us, and we can tell you more than we have already spoken here. But if you're curious about your wildish one, it's inside. That's the whole thing of it. It's in you. So be curious about finding the wildish one. There's something very empowering about becoming friends with that very deep integral part of you.
Wow. Only like 2 hours, 40 minutes.
GJ.
Oh my god.
2 hours.
40 minutes.
That's
Like, तुला काय condense करायचं? Two? How many?
20 minutes.
20.
Oh my god, girl.
See? कसं करणार आहेस तू देवालाच माहिती आणि तुला.
Keep all my jokes. झालं reclaim.
झालं
केलं परफॉर्मन्स केलं रिक्लेम झालं
करून झालं आमचं झालंय.